All right, what's going on, you guys? I got a super cool Python project for you today. Pretty much, I was wondering the other day, is there a way that I could browse the web and find a picture of a dog that looks most like me? And after thinking about it for a little bit, I was actually able to come up with a Python script that does this for me. So, first, I'll sort of give you guys a demo about how it works, and then I'll show you what you need for it to run on your own computer so that you can figure out what dog looks most like you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm going to try to start posting more videos like this. But, anyways, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so here is the code. Um, Pretty much, I have a picture right here, a pretty dope picture of me vaping. I just copy the path to that picture and I put it right here in my image path. I put my search term dog. And by the way, you can do anything for the search term. That's the cool thing about this code. So if you want to do cat, hippo, I don't know. And then you do your number of images. It takes a little longer. So for this, I'm just going to use 50. And then where you want to store that final picture. And then just hit run and we'll see it run. Quick note about the image, you probably want to make a copy because it's going to resize it. Just a little note. But so pretty much, yeah, it looks up dog on Google Images and it downloads the first 50 images that it finds, which is what it's doing right now. This is why I want to do 50 images, just because it might take a little long if I do like 200 or something. But yeah, you can see in this code it says found 100 search results, extracting links from those first 100. And by the way, this code is pretty short. Like it's 240 lines of code. It's not that much. Plus, I have a lot of comments on here and stuff. So now, so yeah, it says found 50 image links, and now it's saving them. And you can see that it just saves all of them. And by the way, they get deleted too. It's not just gonna clog up your files and stuff. But yeah, so then it saves it, and then it'll calculate what's called the structural similarity between that image and my face. And then it saves the one with the highest similarity to my face. So it's doing that right now. And then here we go. So it pulls up me, and then here's the image. This is the dog that looks most like me from those 50 images. And you can kind of see it matches the colors. The white probably matches the vape smoke. And then it saves that image right here. This is like my environment. So you can see right here, dog. And then there it is. And it deletes all the other ones. So that's it. I'll sort of now show you how you can get working and get it set up on your computer. Maybe you want to show your friends or just play around with it. I highly encourage people to experiment with this because it's really cool. So yeah, let's get started on how you can get it set up. Okay, so here we have the code. You can see a couple notes to start off. First off, it's only compatible with Python 3. Who uses Python 2 anymore? It's been deprecated for like a year now. You'll need a couple different packages, and these are them. So you would just do a pip install to get these. Scikit image, you're going to want the most recent version for sure because the this structural similarity function changed since the last version, I'm pretty sure. I like to work in a virtual environment, by the way. It's just cleaner for doing different Python projects. So I suggest doing that. And then you also need a Chrome driver. And to get that, you just go to here. So you need Google Chrome in order to get the images. And then you would just go right here and download the one that is compatible with your version. So to find your version, you would just go to About Chrome. And mine is version 87. So I would download version 87. And that'll download an executable file, and you just note where that path is, and you put that path to the executable right there. So some simple imports right here. Let's get more into the good stuff. I just made a function to compare two images, like the structural similarity between them. This multi-channel equals true means that it's including the color with how similar the images are. So if you set that to false, you also need to convert the images to grayscale instead of RGB. So that's one thing to note. If you want to change that, then yeah, you'll have to change that as well. I have a function for just resizing an image to 200 by 200 pixels because two images need to be the same size in order for them to be compared structurally. This is just web scraping stuff right here. I actually got this from just an article I found online. I didn't want to have to do it all myself, but I did change a few things to make it better. So this function just gets image URLs from a search query, and then this function just puts all of those images, it downloads them and puts them into a folder. And then the main function, we initialize the WebDriver right here, do some starting out stuff, create our folder, get list of image URLs to download each of them, and then here's where we go through each image, calculate the structural similarity and keeps the top one. Then we delete all of the other ones, and then we print out the top image and then our image that we input, and then we quit. And that's really all there is to it. So yeah, this code will all be on my GitHub, which I'll put a link in the description. Also, if you have any questions, if something's not working for them, just feel free to drop a comment, and I'll let you know what's going on. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. So make sure you like and subscribe. If we could smash like 20 likes or something, that would be really cool. But yeah, until my next video, take care.